Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resize product image in Shopify. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, if you want to change the product images, you will need to go simply to products. And from there, you can start changing its images. So let's suppose we want to change this image or to resize it more specifically, I will, for example, select some existing file that I have and let's suppose this one. I will click on done. Now I have this image for my product. If I want to resize it, I will just click on it and basically I will have this editor or this Shopify editor that will be added or opened with this image. From there, you can either crop it so you can take a specific or a more specific part from the image, and of course you can see the size in the corner here. Otherwise you can choose from these squared from these crops, or we can just click on resize and from there we can resize our image with the sizing that we like. You can also unlock the aspect ratio so you can customize the image uh, however you like. So you can make, for example, a perfect squared image, for example, like that. And we can click on apply. Let's redo it. We click on apply and you can resize your image. You can also look the aspect ratio. Then you will need just to click on save and you will have your image that will be changed in size for your product. And of course, you can do this for all products in your Shopify store. Or you can simply go to Content, Files, it starts resizing the original file and then attribute it or to your products. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.